Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. When remodeling a laundry room, what comes first? Are you planning on remodeling your laundry room and wondering where to start? Or have you already started and need to determine what should come next? Remodeling a laundry room can be an exciting and rewarding experience. From creating a layout that maximizes your available space to selecting appliances that meet your needs, there are a lot of decisions to make. In this podcast, we'll provide you with the thorough process of remodeling a laundry room in a step-by-step guide and help you determine what comes first. We'll cover everything from choosing the suitable color scheme and lighting to selecting the best storage solutions for your space. We'll also provide tips and tricks to help you stay on budget and make the most of your laundry room remodel services. So, whether you're looking to create a laundry room that's more functional, stylish, or both, we've got you covered. Let's get started and transform your laundry room into a space you'll love. Planning is the first step in a laundry room. Planning is an essential step in establishing useful and efficient laundry rooms. Without proper planning, the laundry space may become overcrowded, chaotic, and unattractive. As a result, it is essential to think about your needs in terms of functionality, storage, and design. Most people need to engage a design-build company when planning their laundry room renovation, which might impact the project's overall success. A design-build firm is a group of specialists collaborating to provide comprehensive design elements and construction services. They are in charge of every part of the project, from initial planning to final construction. Using a design-build company will ensure that your laundry room is well-designed, functional, and aesthetically beautiful. Phoenix Home Remodeling has a design-build team that can work with you to evaluate your goals and create a customized plan to satisfy those objectives. Functionality. Evaluate how you will use your laundry space. Do you require space to sort and fold your clothes? Will you require extra storage for laundry, cleaning materials, and other household items? Will you need a place to iron or steam your clothes? Assess your process and organize the space layout accordingly. Storage. Determine how much storage space you will need. Consider installing cabinets, shelving, and other storage solutions to keep the area organized and clutter-free. Design. Evaluate the laundry room's design. Will it be a separate room or a component of a bigger space, like a mudroom or utility room? What is your favorite color scheme and style? To develop a consistent design, consider lighting, flooring, and fixtures. Designing the laundry room. Designing laundry rooms can be complex, especially if you want to maximize available space while remaining aesthetically pleasing and functional. Teaming up with a company with a designer who can develop 3D renderings will help ensure the laundry area design matches your expectations. 3D renderings show a realistic view of the finished laundry room, including appliance placement, storage solutions, and overall layout. This allows you to make any necessary changes before construction begins, perhaps saving you time and money in the long run. Working with a designer can also guarantee that the laundry room is created to be as functional and efficient as possible. The designer can assist you in selecting the best appliances, storage solutions, and layout for your unique needs and tastes while also taking lighting, ventilation, and accessibility into account. Working with a company that provides design services and 3D renderings will ensure that laundry rooms fulfill your expectations and is a functional and efficient place for your household needs. Picking your materials and selection items with designer. Now that you've chosen the design, it's time to work with your designer to choose the best items and materials. Start by looking into your budget and any lifestyle requirements for your laundry room. You can seek functional and aesthetic materials like durable flooring, countertops, and cabinetry. Use fixtures such as hardware, lights, and faucets to give the space a classy look. Consider the energy efficiency ratings of appliances and their size and appearance when choosing them. If you intend to use a front-loading washer and dryer combination, ensure adequate space for them to fit comfortably. If you have limited floor space, you should also consider stackable units. Finally, details such as trim moldings and window coverings will help to pull the entire appearance together. You can design a laundry area that is both elegant and functional by carefully considering each piece of the equation. Working with a reputable laundry room remodel contractor. Now that you've decided on the materials and items you'll need for your remodel, it's time to find a reputable contractor to ensure the job is done professionally. While looking for a contractor, make sure they are certified in laundry room renovation and have a solid business reputation. Inquire for recommendations or browse online customer reviews to understand how others have felt about their services. When it comes time to sign an agreement with your chosen contractor, thoroughly examine the terms. When signing on the signed line, ensure that all requirements, such as insurance coverage, payment conditions, and warranties, are clearly stated. With a professional and reliable contractor in charge, you can be confident that your new laundry space will look fantastic when finished. Demo of area. Before any remodeling can start, the area must be demoed. This includes removing existing appliances, fixtures, and wall cabinets. Depending on the complexity of your renovation, this could include demolishing floors or walls. Before making any renovations to your laundry room, take photos of it. If you have existing plumbing or electrical systems, these must be disconnected before any work is done. Rough plumbing and rough electrical. With the room fully prepared, it's time to deal with the rough plumbing and electrical. This includes installing new pipes and cables to supply power, water, and other services to your laundry room if needed. These systems must be installed before any wall finishes, or cabinetry may be placed. After all of the piping and wiring is finished, you may proceed to the following stage of your laundry room remodel: installing drywall, flooring, fixtures, and appliances. Drywall and wall texture. Now that the rough plumbing and electricity have been installed, it's time to move on to the next stage of your remodel: drywall and wall texture. Drywall is excellent for any room because it is sound dampening and insulating. Depending on your tastes, you can choose from many textures for your walls. When the wall texture has been applied, it is time to consider lighting. Lighting is vital in any environment, especially in a laundry room, where chores are frequently performed at night or with minimal natural light. Try installing recessed lighting and/or sconces to create an attractive ambience. Consider installing more outlets throughout the area to simply plug in any items you may require while doing laundry. A simple Alexa device or similar speaker for playing music while doing laundry will make it more fun. Cabinet install. When the wall texturing is finished, it's time to install the cabinets. Cabinets provide much-needed storage and organization in laundry rooms and come in various styles and finish to match your style. Ensure the cabinets are level and securely fastened to the walls before installation. This will help to keep the cabinets in place even when they are constantly used. Countertop install, if applicable. It's time to consider any countertop installation, if necessary. Countertops can serve as a functional work surface and an elegant finishing touch in your laundry room. When choosing a countertop material, look for something that is both long-lasting and easy to clean. Laminate, quartz, and granite are popular choices. To ensure the countertop fits properly, carefully measure the area before purchasing materials. Laundry sink install, if applicable. The installation of a laundry room sink, if applicable, is the next step to consider. This location can be convenient for pre-treating, hand-washing delicate things, and rinsing any stains or dirt from garments. The most common style of laundry sink is a stainless steel drop-in or undermount model that fits into a pre-cut hole in your countertop. However, additional options exist and can vary greatly depending on tastes. Whatever you pick, ensure it is correctly fixed and securely fastened to the countertop or wall. In addition to the sink, consider any other attachments, such as a pull-out sprayer or soap dispenser, that help make cleaning more efficient and more manageable. If you want to wash large loads of laundry, consider purchasing a deep utility sink, ideal for soaking items such as bedding or delicates. Finally, installing organizational elements like open shelves and hooks near the sink will assist in keeping items like towels and sponges nicely sorted while yet keeping them close at hand when needed. With these parts in place, your laundry room will be fully equipped for simple and efficient washing. Laundry room flooring. The flooring you choose will be determined by the overall design and function you want to achieve. Vinyl, laminate, and tile are all common choices. Vinyl is a low-cost, low-maintenance choice available in various colors and textures. Laminate and vinyl can be created to look like wood, stone, or other materials. Tile is an excellent solution for individuals wanting a more personalized home with unique designs and patterns. Whichever flooring you choose, ensure it is strong enough to withstand any spills or messes during laundry activities. If moisture is an issue in your laundry area, consider adding a waterproof underlayment. This will prevent water from seeping through your flooring and causing harm to the subfloor underneath. Laundry room paint. Now that the flooring is complete, it's time to work on the laundry room paint. This can be a terrific way to bring personality and color to your environment. While choosing paint colors, remember that lighter tones will make the room appear larger, while darker colors might assist in defining various regions or create a warm ambience. Also, choosing high-quality, durable paint is essential for keeping your walls looking their best over time. Proceed by painting the ceiling first, ensuring even coverage throughout the entire space. Next, paint the walls, followed by any trim or molding. Painting can be a fun and creative way to brighten your laundry room without investing too much money or effort. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to changing your room into something functional and elegant. Small accessories or miscellaneous like lighting. Other than painting the walls and ceiling, minor accessories or everyday items help connect your laundry room. Including some trendy lighting fixtures or installing a few floating shelves can significantly impact the area's overall appearance. Consider adding some stylish storage boxes for any goods you want to keep hidden. Keep it basic when arranging your laundry room, and stick to items that reflect your style. Too many things in a place can soon become cluttered and overwhelming. Instead, select a few pieces that bring aesthetic appeal without overwhelming the space. Consider any safety standards, such as having smoke alarms or fire extinguishers installed near any electrical equipment, while putting together the finishing touches for your laundry room. It's also essential to keep any cables tucked away and out of reach of children and dogs. Once these items are taken care of, you can relax and enjoy your lovely new laundry room. Conclusion. When remodeling a laundry room, it is essential to remember that you should always start with a plan. Taking time to design your laundry room and carefully selecting materials and accessories with a designer will ensure you get the best results for your remodeling project. Working with a reputable contractor to demo the area and install items such as a sink and flooring will help the process run smoothly. Finally, finishing touches such as paint and small accessories like lighting can make all the difference in transforming your new laundry room into a space you can be proud of. With proper planning, careful selection, and experienced contractors, your laundry room remodel will surely turn out just how you envisioned it. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.